Let's see how the proper text function works. The proper text function capitalizes the first character in each word of a text value. Okay, it capitalize the first character. Okay, for example, you have string goodman. Okay, so when I see, I put the proper text function proper, then goodman, which is a5. Okay, then close the bracket. What happens, you see, the first word good, it made the first character, the leftmost character of good, into a capital letter G. Similarly, after the space, the second word man also capital M. So it capitalized the every word, every first letter in each word. Okay, in the statement or string or a sentence. See, if it is only one word, then proper of Ireland, all of them in small letters. Okay, Ireland, I become the capital letter. Okay, similarly for proper of sky is blue. See, sky, the first word, first character is capitalized, which is S, capital S, then is also capital I, blue also capital B. Okay, what happens if I have capital letters? G-O-O-D, good, boy. Okay, what is happening? Okay, proper SA8, you can see it made only the first character as capital letter, the remaining characters to lower. Okay, so this way it makes that every word the first character is capitalized, the remaining letters are in lower characters. Okay, I also have another example. Good. Okay, let's see, good boy. Okay, so let's see, this is equal to proper of this. See here, only G is capitalized, not the B, because it identifies each word by a space. If there is a space, then it will count as a two words. Here, after good, there is no space, so it counted as one word, good boy. So only the one word, since it is one word, it counts as a one word. The first character it capitalized, but the remaining B it doesn't capitalize. If you see, if you introduce a space here, see what happens. See, once you introduce a space, then this B is also capitalized. So the space is the one telling the proper that each the 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 word which is following the space is the different word. If there is no space, then it won't convert it as a capital. So if see, for example, the sky, there is no space, then you see is become small letter I. Similarly, the blue also, if you take out, so because it considers sky is blue as a one word, so only one, the leftmost character of this one word is capitalized. Okay, this is the way proper text function works. Proper text function capitalizes the first letter in each word of a text value.